downtown Newport Richey. So that's what I wanted to share with you. I just think that it's kind of a nice touch that they put their town. So
Put here.
There you go. Welcome to Newport Richey, historic downtown area. So here's a shops here on the first level. It's not a very common thing to see that here in the. Okay, so this is the bridge that we went over yesterday. And here they are. Now this is a to do here. There's a lot of them, and I love those kind of places. Okay. So just for reference, that's the reason I stopped, is because of that theater there. I analyzed these places and put the finishing touch on it. Look at that. That's nice. And you see they've added restaurants and stuff. Historical place. Working for the man out here, but that's okay because they got a tribute band to Phil Collins. Can you see that? I hope you can. It's kind of my new style of doing vlogging. I don't know if you've ever heard of that before, like little miniature travel documentaries.
Yep.
Wow, this is nice. This was built in
1925. It was originally called the Megan Theater, named after Thomas Megan, who was a silent picture show star.
Wow.
It's now run by Richey Suncoast Theater, which is a non-profit. We're a 501(c)(3).
501(c)(3).
Yes.